So hello and welcome to another topic, and in last topic we have seen the hands-on part on knowledge bases and retrieval augmented generation. And in this topic let's start with one of the most important Gen AI fundamentals, so that is tokenization. So tokenization simply means that breaking raw text into small pieces called tokens. Some models split text word by word, which we call word level tokenization, but newer models break into smaller chunks. This is subword tokenization, perfect for handling long and rare words. You can even try it yourself using the tokenizer tool from OpenAI. Below you can see that welcome to Amazon Bedrock becomes 5 tokens and 25 characters, and in the link that is attached you can uh, actually see that how many tokens and how many characters are there. Next up we have is the context window. This tells us how many tokens a model can read or remember at one time. A bigger window means the model can understand more information, stay consistent and give better answers, but larger the window, the memory and computing power it needs. It's one of the most important factors when choosing a model. Let's talk about embeddings. One of the coolest concepts in AI. Embeddings convert text, images, or audio into vectors, which are just numbers that represent meaning. These vectors are high dimensional, so they capture things like grammar, context, and sentiment. Embeddings models power search engines, recommendation system, and similarity-based applications. In the diagram here, you can see how a simple sentence is tokenized, turned into embeddings, and stored in a vector database. So as you can see here, that the cat sat on the mat, it get tokenized on the token IDs. So that's H65 is somewhere stored, I mean the is stored somewhere in H65, cat in 128. Then it gets into the embeddings model, and then it gets converted into a vector, and then that vector is stored in vector database. So semantic relationships in embeddings. One more powerful thing about embeddings is that words that have similar meanings ends up with similar vectors. So dog and puppy are close together. Cat is nearby but not as close, and words like house are far away because they don't have the same thing. So this is how AI understands meaning beyond just a spelling. So here you can see the dimensionality reduction of word embeddings in 2D. So here somewhere is dog and puppy because their dimensions are very similar, and cat is just a bit far and houses is the farthest. And you can also see color visualization of the vectors, that this is very similar and this is completely different colors, representing that context is far away. Alright, so that is all for this topic, and in next topic we will be looking at Amazon guardrails. And yes, thank you very much for watching this video, and make sure to like this channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.